Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome. Um, welcome to learn some Filipino. Um, I'm trying this new app and let's see what we can learn here. Now there's Tagalog and then there's Bisaya, but um, I'm looking for an app that you can learn and stuff. So this one is Tagalog. Now, mm, since I have to learn, let's start with greeting. Okay, there you go. So, nice to meet you.
Ikinalulugod kitang makilala.
Oh my god. Let me hear it again.
Ikinalulugod kitang makilala.
Ikinalulugu kitang makilala.
Ikinalulugod kitang makilala. Ikinalulugod kitang makilala.
Ikinalulugad kitang makilala. How does it sound? Does it sound like I'm doing it right?
Magandang umaga.
Maganda umaga means good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. I think it's pretty close.
Magandang umaga.
Let's try good evening.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. Wait, one more time.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. Huh? Magandang. Oh, so good night. Wait, good night and good evening you say them the same way?
Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. I know this one. How are you? Kamusta?
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 Kamusta? I know. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat. I know that one.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Walang anuman.
Walang anuman.
Walang anuman.
Walang anuman.
Walang anuman.
Hmm. What's your name?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong panggalan mo? Anong panggalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong palangan mo? Hero.
Anong pangalan mo?
Anong panggalan mo?
Taga saan ka?
Where are you from? Taga sa taga saan ka?
Taga saan ka?
Taga san ka? Oh, san. Taga san ka?
Taga saan ka?
Mm, Texas.
Taga saan ka?
Taga san ka?
Hindi.
No. Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Patawad ako.
Patawad ako. That one does sound like saying I'm sorry.
Patawad ako.
I like that one.
Patawad ako.
Patawad ako.
Patawad ako. Paumanhin.
Paumanhin. Just excuse me. Paumanhin.
Paumanhin. Pakisuyo.
Please. Pakisuyo.
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 Hey, that one sounds pretty cool.
pakisuyo,
Pakisuyo.
paalam,
Paalam.
paalam,
Paalam.
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 Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Ako si
Ako si Harold. Harold.
Ako si
Ako si Harold. That's like saying I'm Harold. Oh, it's cool too.
Saan ba ang banyo?
Saan ba ang banyo?
Saan ba ang banyo?
Saan ba ang banyo?
Mabuti ako.
Mabuti ako. It sounds like saying my booty something.
Mabuti ako.
I'm fine.
Mabuti ako. Pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Oh my god, that was hard.
Pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Pwede ba akong umupo dito? Oo.
Uh-oh. Yes.
Oo.
Oh, this one means may I sit
Pwede
here?
ba akong umupo dito?
Pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Maligayang pagbati.
Maligayang pagbati.
Maligayang pagbati.
Oh man. I like this one. Where's it at?
Patawad ako.
Patawad ako. Patawad. Hey, this is pretty cool. Oh man. This sucks. Let me turn it down real quick. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's gonna give me a quiz. Oh, okay. This one was may I sit here, so it's not that one. This one was the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? I know this one because that's what I tell my fiance in the morning, and I know that means how are you, so it has to be this one. Mm, Ikang na lulugod kitang makilala.
Ikinalulugod kitang makilala.
Who I told you ba? Hello. Mm, it's it's not the ones at the bottom. Mm, I think it's this one. Magandang umaga. Ah! Okay, so it's this one. Taga Sanka. Because I know it's not como esta. And then the puede, this one means may I sit down here. So it's gonna be that one. What? Ah, okay, it's that one then. Ah, wait. They're tricking me here. What was the answer? Let me see. Okay, so hi is hi.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning. Magandang gabi. Oh my god. Oh my god ba? What is this one? Magandang hapon. What the crap, bro? Umaga.
Magandang umaga.
I hate you. Okay, so is this one. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Good afternoon. Good evening is magandang gabi. The only thing that switches is the hapon.
Magandang gabi.
Mm. Good night. That one is the same thing. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Whoa. How are you? Kamusta? I know that one.
Kamusta?
Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat. Your welcome is walang anuman.
Walang anuman.
Uh, oh, this one. I remember this one. Wait. Okay. It's, you see, what's your name? That one is not here. So then, that one is this one. Tagasanka.
Taga saan ka?
See, this one, ako, see, that one is, oh no, that one means I am Harold. Okay, so no is Hindi.
Hindi.
Mm. So they tell me, are you single? Hindi. I'm sorry, I know that one. Patawad ako. Patawad ako.
Patawad ako.
Excuse me. Pauman. I think it's this one. Paumanhin.
Paumanhin.
Oh, okay. That one is Pakisuyo.
Pakisuyo.
Pakisuyo. Pakisuyo kiss right there. Goodbye. I think it's that one. Palam.
Paalam.
Oh, paalam. Okay. I know salamat means thank you. So it's gonna be maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Oh, this one is ako si Harold. I am Harold.
Ako si...
Where's the bathroom? This one is saan ba ang banyo?
Saan ba ang banyo?
Fine. Matubi ako.
Mabuti ako.
Mabuti ako. May I sit here? That one is pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Wow. Yes is oo.
Oo.
Oo. Congratulations. This one is hard. I think this one is paalam. Paalam. I think it's wrong. Yeah. Anong pangalan mo? Ah!
Maligayang pagbati.
Maligayan pagbati. Okay. Oh, I got a 91. Look, I got a score of 91. So it's pretty high. Mm, nice to meet you. Oh, I think that one is Ikanalulugad Kitang Makilala.
Ikinalulugod kitang makilala.
Wow. Hello. That one is Walang Anuman. Oh, there you go. Dang it. Okay, is this one then? Anong pagalan mo? What the? Oh, no, it's.
Kamusta?
I thought kumusta is how are you? Mm, Hi is hi.
Hi.
Good morning. Um, magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Wait, did I start all over? Oh, I did start all over. Oh my god. I did start all over. Didn't I? Good afternoon. Magandang no, magandang gabi. Whoa. Oh, okay, magandang umaga. God dang it.
Magandang hapon.
Good evening. That one is magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Good night. That one is magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
How are you? Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Thank you.
Salamat.
You're welcome. Is walang unaman.
Walang anuman.
What's your name? Mabuti ako. Oh crap. Then it's anong pangalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Where are you from? That one is taga saan ka?
Taga saan ka?
No is oo. No. No is hindi.
Hindi.
I'm sorry. Patawad ako.
Patawad ako.
Patawad ako. Excuse me, that one is malang anuman. Oh crap. Okay, so this one, paumanhin.
Paumanhin.
Please is pakisuyo.
Pakisuyo.
Goodbye. Palam.
Paalam.
Paalam. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
That one is ako si.
Ako si.
Where's the bathroom? Saan ba ang banyo?
Saan ba ang banyo?
I'm fine. That one is mabuti ako. Mabuti ako.
Mabuti ako.
May I say here, pwede ba akong umapo dito?
Pwede ba akong umupo dito?
Oo. That's yes.
Oo.
Oo. Mm, that one is, dang it. Walang anuman. No. Then there's this one. Ikinalugod kitang makilala. Oh, crap. Maligayang pagbati. Is this one then? Because this one means thank you very much.
Maligayang pagbati.
See, I knew it. Okay, well, I got a 97 the second time. Well, this is the road to learning Tagalog and hopefully some Bisaya first. Well, Bisaya second because um, I need to find some apps for that.